This is Abakaliki, Ebonyi State.
Journey from Ebonyi State to Umuahia, exploring the routes that connect Abakaliki, Afikpo, Okigwe, imostate, Abia State University Uturu, and our final destination, Umuahia. It's going to be a long journey, but fret not because the captivating landmark and the serenity landscape will keep us throughout the journey. Welcome viewers to this enchanting journey from Ebonyi State to Umuahia.
This way to Ebonyi International Airport, so we keep going straight. This is my first time traveling on this road. It is shorter than going through Abakaliki to Enugu then to Umuahia. And moreover, I like taking new adventures, so let's explore this route together.
Exploring the rich history, breathtaking landscape, and important landmark along the way. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this adventure together through the heart of Nigeria's southeastern road.
Our journey, which started in Ebonyi, a state known for its natural beauty and cultural richness. As we traversed through the charming road, we came to Esa local government area. Esa South is a local government area located in Ebonyi State on southeastern Nigeria. Its headquarters is Onueke, which also serves as a central unification town for the Esa Nation, as well as headquarters of Ebonyi Central Senatorial Zone. It was created on October 1st, 1996, among other local government areas in the then new Ebonyi State by the military government of General Sani Abacha. Esa South, prior to its creation, was part of old Esa local government area. The people are predominantly of Igbo stock. They speak Esa dialect and the central Igbo language. Their major occupations are farming and trading, as well as emerging civil servant class. It has an area of 324 km square and a population of 133,624. In 35 kilometers, we will get to Afikpo. Our route takes us through the scenic Afikpo Road, where lush, greenery, and landscape unfold. Along the way, keep an eye out for the historic landmark that tells the story of Afikpo's past and present. Afikpo is the second largest urban area in Ebonyi State after Abakaliki, Nigeria. It is the headquarters of the Afikpo North local government area. It is situated in the southern part of Ebonyi State and is bordered to the north by the town of Apoha, to the south by Uwana, to the southwest by Eda local government area, to the east by the Cross River State, and to the west by Amaziri town. Afikpo spans an area approximately 63 square meters. It is located on the 6 degrees north latitude and 8 degrees east longitude. Afikpo is a hilly area despite occupying a region low in altitude, which rises 350 feet above sea level. It is a transitional area between open grassland and tropical forest and has an average annual rainfall of 73 inches.
Afikpo people have a unique and vibrant culture with various traditional practices and ceremonies. The town is known for its masquerades, traditional dances, and festivals that showcase the cultural identity of the people. The primary language spoken in Afikpo is the Afikpo language, which is part of the Igbo language group. However, English is also widely understood and used. The people of Afikpo engage in various economic activities including agriculture, trade, and craftsmanship. Agriculture plays a significant role in the local economy, with crops such as yams, cassava, and vegetables being cultivated. Afikpo, like many other towns in Nigeria, has educational institutions that provide formal education to its residents. Schools at different levels, including primary and secondary schools, contribute to the educational development of the community. The predominant religion in Afikpo is Christianity, with a significant number of churches present in the town. There may also be adherents of traditional African religions, although Christianity is more widely practiced. Infrastructure. Afikpo has basic infrastructure such as roads, markets, and health facilities to serve the needs of its residents. Like many towns in Nigeria, there may be ongoing efforts to improve and expand infrastructure in Afikpo. The cultural richness and traditional practices of Afikpo make it a potential tourist destination. Tourists may be interested in experiencing local festivals, traditional dances, and exploring the cultural heritage of the town. Afikpo, like other towns in Nigeria, is governed by a local government administration that oversees the affairs of the town. Let's take a look at these newly constructed concrete roads. From this concrete technology, what is your take after seeing this road constructed by the former administration of Ebonyi State led by Governor David Umuahia, now Minister of Works? He is vying for more concrete roads in the Nigerian's highway. Recall that this same concrete technology is what was used in the new airport, that is the Ebonyi International Airport runway, which after the first flight by Air Peace, they declared that the runway was bad, that is not good enough for plane to land because it was destroying the plane tires. Do you think it's better to use this concrete technology on our highways, or we should continue with Avast? Let's keep on going on our journey. You can drop your observation and your comments in the comment section. Let's discuss more in the comment section. This road section is bad. This is MCA Catholic Church Abia State. This is Abia State. As we approach Abia State University Uturu, we delve into the educational hub that has contributed significantly to the intellectual and cultural growth of the region. This road section is bad and there is a deep valley by our left. This is Okigwe. Okigwe is the third largest city in Imo State in Nigeria after Owerri and Olu. Okigwe is located in the Okigwe local government area of Nigeria. The city lies between the Portharcourt Enugu Maiduguri rail line, being the nearest city to the biggest cattle market in Nigeria, located in the Umuahia area of Abia State. The city has grown into a major cattle transit town for the southeast and south sub-regions of Nigeria. Okigwe has a population of 132,233 according to the Nigerian census. Most of the population is made up of immigrants workers from other states. Okigwe City was the primary host site of the old Imo State University, now Abia State University. Okigwe has various tourist and historical sites. The federal government college in the city has remained one of the best unity schools in Nigeria. Okigwe is known for its educational institutions. The city is home to the Federal Polytechnic Nekede Okigwe campus, which is a prominent institution for higher education. Okigwe remains one of the breadbasket of Nigeria with terrace cultivation practiced on its hilly farmlands. Okigwe also boasts many relaxation spots such as Alexandra Suites and Hotels Limited at number 1 Alexandra Avenue, Umuahia Road. St. Mary's Cathedral in Okigwe is the seat of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Okigwe. The Imo State government recommissioned a new cattle market in the city in respect to the previous one that has been relocated to Abia State. This is Okigwe Tower. If you turn by your left, you will enter Enugu Portharcourt Expressway, which will lead you to Umuahia. Just so that this video will not be too long, we will explore this route in our next video, Enugu Portharcourt Expressway. Thank you for joining us on this adventure, and we hope you enjoyed this exploration through the heart of Nigerian Southeastern Road. Thank you for joining me on this channel, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, click on the subscribe and the notification button below, so when we upload our next video you can be notified. Thank you, and see you in our next video.